Samsung September surprise, unlocking the latest updates. In the ever-evolving world of technology, Samsung has just dropped some exciting news for its loyal users. As we dive into the month of September, it's time to explore the latest updates rolling out to various Samsung devices, ensuring they stay at the forefront of innovation. But here's where it gets controversial. While Google has already released its quarterly update, Samsung is taking its time to bless its extensive phone lineup with some much-needed enhancements. Let's dive into the details and uncover what's in store for Samsung enthusiasts. Galaxy S23 series, a security patch extravaganza. Kicking things off, the Galaxy S23 series is the first to receive the September updates. However, it's important to note that this update primarily focuses on a security patch with no other significant changes to note. Don't worry, we'll keep you posted as more devices receive these updates in the coming days. For the Galaxy S23 series, the update versions are as follows. Galaxy S23, S911, US, QS6DYI3. Galaxy S23 Plus, S916, US, QS6DYI3. Galaxy S23 Ultra, S918, US, QS6DYI3. Galaxy S23 FE, S711, US, QS6DYH2. And this is the part most people miss. These updates ensure your device remains secure and protected against potential vulnerabilities. It's a subtle yet crucial aspect of device maintenance. Galaxy Watch 6, a timely update. Not to be left behind, the Galaxy Watch 6 series has also received its monthly update. The new builds bring some exciting changes to both the standard and classic versions of the watch. Here are the update versions for your reference. Galaxy Watch 6, 40mm, 935 US, QS1 BYH1. Galaxy Watch 6, 44mm, 945 US, QS1 BYH1. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, 43mm, R955 US, QS1 BYH1. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, 47mm, R965 US, QS1 BYH1. To stay on top of these updates, simply navigate to your device's settings, go to System Updates, and check for any available updates. If an update is ready, you can download and install it following the on-screen instructions. Verizon users, a special note. For our friends using Verizon, you can find more detailed information about the Galaxy S23 update on Verizon's support page. It's always a good idea to stay informed about carrier-specific updates and their potential impact on your device. So there you have it. Samsung September updates are rolling out, bringing security enhancements and keeping your devices up to date. Stay tuned for more updates as we navigate through the month. And now, a thought-provoking question for our readers. Do you think these updates are enough to keep Samsung devices competitive in the market? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your insights and spark a discussion.